there, everybody, Jack Studios here, and today I have another LEGO Super Mario character pack opening. The character packs are set number 71361. Each of them has 23 pieces. There are 10 to collect, and they go for $5 in the United States. But I found each of these for $4 at my local Target. So yeah, let's open them. Here is the first pack. We got a blooper. Is blooper. I really like the coral piece in this salmon pink color and the printing for his eyes. Moving on to the second pack. And we got a bullet bill. Oh, wait. All right, there's one more piece. All right, let's fold it up. Bill is definitely one of the highlights of these character packs, but man, that cactus build is annoying to put together. Third pack. We got the Eep Jeep. We got the Eep Jeep. This is took surprisingly a while to build, and the eyes look pretty similar to the urchin character in the series, other than the fact that they have they're printed on a orangish yellow piece. We're starting to wrap it up with the fourth pack. See what we got? Yes, we got Spiny. I wanted him. Spiny is a lot of people's favorite character in the series, and I must say he does not disappoint. I like how his spikes come out of his shell, and I must say he is built very similarly to the Buzzy Beetle character in the series. All right, finishing off with the final character in this opening. I hope it's a good one. Oh, we got another Spiny. Overall, I'm actually really happy with the characters I got here. And I'm not disappointed at all that I got to have Spiny, as he is one of the more interesting and better builds of this character pack. I hope to see Series 2 because I really love these character packs. So now the only figures I have left to get are the Paragoomba, the Bomb-Omb, and Fuzzy. So hopefully I get those in the next opening. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching this one. Stay tuned for more LEGO Super Mario content. Goodbye.